So welcome to Star Auto. Today we have a 2016 Kia Soul, an otherwise good vehicle, but the engine doesn't start. We've looked at it, it's got no compression, and it has coolant in a couple of cylinders. This engine was worked on by someone before, and we suspect that something was done wrong, something was missed. There's a lot of very poorly applied silicone everywhere, spray painted timing cover. It's going to be quite interesting to disassemble this engine. Right now, we're gonna pull it out. So enjoy the show.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wish for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Win in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is do it, no way around it. Before that we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I made for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, 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 go. Get off your phone, can't sit at a green light. Look how that shine reflect like a ring light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no Renner, have they the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner.
So the new engine is in, and we're about ready to start it up. Let's see what happens. Well, this sounds pretty good. No misfires. Runs quiet and steady. Yes, I'm happy with this. You guys, you remember I was we were showing you how bad the old engine was, that somebody's been in there messing around. So stay tuned. We're going to dismantle the old engine and find out what was done to it, how it was abused, and what we can do to repair it, and if it's salvageable at all. So, follow us.